Hello students, myself is Jayashree Ghosh, DGT Science, teacher of Air Force School, Barakpur. Today I will teach you Chapter 12, Electricity, by the presentation of videos. The chapter is divided into few parts and the videos will be flashed accordingly. Now I want to discuss about the important topics related to the chapter.
Heating effect of electric current.
Electric power rating, fuse, overloading and short circuit. Domestic electrical wiring. Hello students, in the last video you have learned about the series and parallel resistance. Now we will learn about heating effect of electric current. In the slide you can see, hence the heating effect produced by an electric current through a conductor that of resistance R for a time is given this H equal to I square RT. This is also known as Joule's law of heating. And you know the uses of heating effect, in which purposes we can use this effect: electric iron, toaster, electric kettle, dryer, geyser, like this. Okay, the derivation of Joule's law. Next slide. V equal to VI or V into Q and I equal to Q by T. Just we have put the values, and E equal to E means energy. E equal to P into T. You just put the value of VI into T, that is VIT. And V in place of P, again you put IR from Ohm's law, that is I square RT. So it is the Joule's law of heating. Next is electric power. What is electric power? Electric power is the, power is the rate of doing work. Here also electric power is the rate at which work done or energy is transformed into electrical circuit. Here also SI unit, right side you can see SI unit is watt joule per second. It's a scalar quantity and formula is P equal to VI. Now the main thing of the electrical, few things that is related to the electrical wiring, that is the fuse and MCB. What is fuse? We learned that electric fuse is a device which is used in series to limit the current in an electric current so that it easily melts due to overheating. It's alarming. It's an alarm you that too much pressure is going on to the circuit. Immediately will be aware. When excessive current passes through it, a fuse is a wire of a metal with very low melting point. That means your circuit wire and the fuse wire is not same. So, and the fuse combination of the wire is lead is 75% and tin is 25%. Okay, there are various types of fuse: porcelain fuse, Curtis fuse, and fuse is always connected at the beginning of the circuit. Remember that the thicker of the fuse wire, the greater is the current capacity. Okay, and fuse, instead of fuse nowadays we are using many MCB. That also you are watching in the slide. Also it is given how MCB is constructed. What is the full name of the MCB? That is the miniature circuit breaker. Okay, next is the slide you have seen. I have given function of fuse and circuit breaker. Both the things are there. You can compare also. Now I will talk about overloading and short circuiting. Short circuit occurs when there is a fault between line of the earth. Overload occurs when the equipment draws excess current. That means the line is overloaded. And short circuiting also, it is only the connector is very low resistance as compared to the I in the circuit. Okay, next you will learn about the color of the wires. You will see in the domestic purposes, whatever the wires we use, you will see three types of color. As per new international convention, the live wire should be brown, insulation, and neutral and earth wire. Neutral will be light blue and earth wire will be green or yellow. Green is earth, green is the earthing wire. Insulation cover. So I hope this much you have understood. Thank you, students.